What's up, guys? Crazy Maya Fanfire bringing you a new product from Outdoors Edge called the Slidewinder. As you can see, Outdoors Edge, designed in Colorado. Slidewinder, black model SWK30D. Here we have it right here. I saw this when I was in Sportsman's Warehouse and it caught my eye. It comes in 3 different colors. It comes in black, blue, and orange. It comes in this little case. Here it is. This is the product right here. Look at that. There's a clip. So it's right here. Has the Outdoor Edge little mountain logo right there, and it says Slidewinder right there. Focus, come on, focus. You see a little bit right there, focus, thank you. Slidewinder. Put it right here. Comes, make the cut. Here we go. So what we have here is the Slidewinder utility blade multi-tool. These are the specs. Has open and closings, slide forward, the slide, how to change the blade, everything. This nimble little multi-tool features a slide opening blade that locks securely and springs back into the handle automatically with the push of the button. Takes standard utility blades and makes a great additional to any toolbox, keychain, glove box, pocket hands, kitchen drawer. Make the cut. So those are the specs. Stainless steel, glass / polymer. Okay, have anything else? No, that's all it says right there. So here it is. So this is it. There's the product right here. So if you flip it on this side, it has right there, it has a star screwdriver. And focus, come on, focus. Right there, as you can see. There's a hole right here for the keychain or string. Right here up top, it has a flat head, you can see, and it has a bottle opener right here. It comes with a pretty good belt clip. And here we go. So that's it right there. That little baby right there. And I guess you hit the button right there and it pops back in. That is pretty freaking cool. The grip's nice. See, grip's right there real good. See, look at that. That's a good grip right there for a little box cutter. This is perfect for somebody that's working in a warehouse. And instead of taking out that big carrying. Let me see. This is cool. Instead of carrying around something like this, this. I mean, yes, this is big. It has a good grip, but it's big. That little blade, as you can see, basically, let's see, this blade itself is red in here. Ain't that freaking cool? And it goes in just like that. Did you see the bottle opener? This is freaking cool. This is definitely A+ in my book. Did not see the blue. I didn't see the orange. All they had was black. I'll try it again. Maybe I get lucky and see the you know, the blue and orange. But this is totally freaking. So yes, you can see. You try to push it, but you can't. You gotta push the button. You can push it. You push it back manually, and then go right there. It locks. Just push it. So this, I mean, look at that. You can tell the difference. If you're working in a job, especially in a warehouse, wouldn't you rather have something like this instead of having something big like this? I mean, this is awesome. So look at that right there. Let's see if I can get this. So it says to change the blade, slide the blade into open position and hold the lock bottom down. I'm gonna have to, let me guess, do I have to unscrew it? No, I guess not. How to change the blades. Oh, there it goes. So you can see right there, I finally got it. So you gotta push real down, real hard on the orange button. And then voila, you can switch out the blade. Oh, so what it does is this metal piece right there, it pushes down on the piece right there to hold it into place. You squeeze really, really hard. Let's see if I can get this baby back in there. So there you go. Got the blade in there. See? Get it out. And there you have it. Just like that. Yeah, it takes a little work, you know, to get it out and get it in there, but this still, it's not that bad. It is awesome. And it's locked into place. Oh wait. Just like that. So there you have it, folks. The Outdoors Edge Slidewinder. This is pretty cool. This is definitely, like I said, is definitely a keeper. I like it. It's a whole lot better than lugging this around, because this is extremely heavy. This just feels like maybe 2 pounds or so. This feels like I'm holding, let me see. This feels like I'm holding, to be honest with you, this feels like you're holding like 4 quarters in your hand, if I put it in that terms. Like 4 quarters in your hand. That's how the weight of this is compared to this, you know, this heavy thing. But so Outdoors Edge Slidewinder. Can you guys please give a thumbs up to this video, click like, subscribe, leave any comments. I'll try to see if I could do a video update with other different colors. And there you go. Oh, I forgot about this part right here. Ooh, perfect. You feel the grip right there, gripping really good right there. That feels good right there. So there you have it. The Outdoors Edge Slidewinder. You guys have a nice day. Oh, before I forget, this was about almost, it was $9.99 after taxes. Came out to like $10.59. That was the price for it. So for this little thing, about 10 bucks, which is a great freaking deal. So there you guys have it. Thank you. You have a nice night. Bye.